Good morning, my pigeon friends and YouTube family. Here we are at another toss. Another beautiful morning, clear skies, not a cloud in the sky. I did miscount yesterday. We were missing one bird. 52 birds is what I counted this morning, and we had 53. I know the one that I said was a little sickly. He did make it home late, but he made it home. And I realized the bird I'm missing is band number 1010. Was a beautiful blue bar, big wattle, nice chalky wattle. He was nice and healthy. I don't know what happened to him, but leads me to believe that something else must have happened yesterday on the way home, but can't really guarantee that, you know. I mean, we don't know what happens with them on the way home, but anyway, long story short, as I was catching him this morning, I realized not only the one that was a little sick yesterday, and by sick I mean it's some kind of respiratory or canker. He's got a little bit of cheese in the back of the throat, but at the same time he's sneezing a lot. Then as I was catching him up this morning, there was another bird that had it as well. Not the cheese in the throat, but she was sneezing, and you could tell she was, you know, breathing congested. It was some congested breathing. So I don't know what that's about. I just medicated for respiratory not too long ago, if you guys remember. Some pretty tip-top medicine there, and it's never given me any issues before. So I don't know. But however, we'll keep this short and sweet. We got here at 7:35, so we're gonna let the birds sit till 7:45, and we'll let them go. Like I said, today is 35 miles. Let's see what time it is here. 7:39. So yeah, we'll give it till 7:45, and we'll let them up. $50 birds, y'all. Lost one yesterday. Or he didn't come home anyway. We're going home, y'all. Right in between the power lines there, all the way down. All right, y'all, we know the deal. See the time there, 8:40. They got released an hour ago, or 55 minutes ago, so we should definitely have birds, which we do. I see them over here picking stones and stuff on the ground, eating grass. Let's see what time they got in, y'all. Get your lazy butt in this loft. Come on. Come on. Come on. That's a little better for sure. At 8:30 on the dot. And they got released at 7:45. It's not bad, y'all. How many did we get on the drop? 8:30. At 8:30, we had 16 birds. Yep. There's another. They're coming in, y'all.